That's just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time. Two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired to build our lives to make us fewer and far, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight.
Kung meron na lang akong isang araw para mabuhay, gusto kong makasal sa'yo. Caroline Chung, will you marry me?
If I only have one day left to live, all I want is to marry you, Bingo. Saya-saya ko. Saya-saya natin. I just know, you and I, and palagi.
Hindi ako titigil hanggat di natin nakukuha yung dalawa. Makakaganti rin tayo.
Hindi ko alam kung paano kayo nasundan ni Gilbert Chan. Wala naman ako napagsasabihan na kahit sino.
Nasa bahay mo yung kasabot ni Manong Ibe.
I just wanted to apologize. I should have treated you better.
Gusto ko makita si Caroline. This is just between the two of us. Huwag mong sasabihin kahit kanino. Para to sa kaligtasan ni Caroline.
Paano kung tama nga tayo noon pa?
Oh my God.
Isa sa inyo ang kasabot ni Gilbert!
We all know lahat sila may tinatago about Mama's death.
Tama ba tayo?
Can't buy me love.